Oh, I be human being, oh, I be human.
This is Marlon and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can check whether your account has been hacked. Now, let me start from here. If you think someone might have gained access to your account, or you sense any irregularities or something like concerning your account, or whenever you sign up to, or whenever you log into your account, you are being told to confirm whether the account belongs to you, or to re-enter a password, or try and or they tell you to try and um they tell you to identify certain pictures or something to to recognize whether you're not a robot or something. All this could mean that um there could be a hack somewhere, or your credentials might have ended up in someone else's hands. So now if you go to my website, there's a post here. There's a post here where this post, have you been hacked? I made this post way back September 2019, and then in this post I demonstrated everything concerning how you can check whether you've been hacked. But people have been telling me to do a video about this, so that's why I want to do a video concerning this particular topic. So um have I been pwned is a website that has data on several data breaches that has happened over the years. If you go to their website, have I been pwned, you realize that they have about 440 pound websites, more than over 9 million pound accounts, and then you see the data breaches that has happened over the years, and then their database contains. So if you're somebody who has been following like recent hacks, you realize this hack hasn't been long. If you go to my website, you even see this hack when it happened. You got about 172 million accounts being dumped on the web when this hack happened. So all these are hacks that has happened over the years, and then let's start with the demonstration. If you go to the website, you just have to type your email address there. So here, let me use my email address, which is info.anonymousgh@gmail.com, and enter. Now, they've confirmed to me that my email address hasn't been pwned. When the pound means that um it hasn't been owned, as in it hasn't been owned by someone else. So it means that my this account is safe. So this account hasn't been hacked. One thing that this website offers you is that when you search your email, and then it has been pwned, they show you upon which platform where the account the account was hacked from. So let me use another email address to demonstrate it. Let me use Danjet, my personal email address, Danjet hh at gmail.com. Oh, so you can see from this one, you can see that it has been pwned on 3 breached websites. It means that this email address has been linked to 3 separate data breaches. So what I have to do now is to go down, and then they will tell me which websites are being involved, which websites upon, like the website, the platform upon which the data breach happened. So from here you can see that the breaches you were pwned in. So you can see Canva. I have an account with Canva. Canva allows you, it's a graphic design tool website that allows you to design your own graphics and everything. So I have an account with Canva, and then data enrichment exposure from DPL customer. I don't really know much about this unless I read into details. And then Netlog. Netlog is a Belgian social networking site. So I guess because of my website, so I might have I might have I might have subscribed to or registered a lot of sites. And then they say the compromised data here is the email and the password, which means it is very gross. Compromised data here is my email address, employers, um, geographical location, job titles, phone numbers, and everything, which is very gross. And then on Canva to my email address, my geographic location, password, my names, my usernames. So this is very serious. So I advise all of you to go and search your email address and then check whether you've been pwned. And one other thing is that as soon as you realize that um you realize the platform upon which your data has been breached, please go there immediately and go and change your password. You can either delete the account or go and change your password or use it or re-register with a different email address. So I'll immediately go and then change my credentials on Canva and then all these platforms. Um, the last thing is that please you check the description below. I've added this these links on how to set up a very strong and complex password. And in this particular article, you realize that if your password is Superman or blank 182, you might want to change it. These are common password that hackers easily generate to hack you. So and then this one too, I love you, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 are among the top 20 password that you should never use. There are more details on these passwords. Please go through the post, and then if your password belongs to any of these 20, please change it as soon as possible, and also follow the steps into to how you can set up a good password for your account. One last thing that I want to say is that please try and change your password at least every 3 months. And then the last thing is at least every 3 months, please notice this very well. And the last thing is please again don't use one password for all your accounts. It's very dangerous. Don't use one password for all your accounts. You can use certain parameters and certain things to um to guide you when you are registering like on different platforms. Please again don't use one password for all your registrations. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel, share this video, like and comment. Thank you very much.
Being, oh, I be human being, oh, just like you. Oh, I be human being, 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 oh, oh, just like you.